6 years of MBBS and you barely touched real patients? That's the painful truth for many abroad. Some colleges quietly push online clinicals or post you in tiny private clinics with almost no patients. After COVID, several colleges in places like Kyrgyzstan, Georgia, etc. continued this model. Result? No hands-on skills. Ask in writing, which hospital will I train in? Is it a government teaching hospital with real patient flow? If they can't prove it, don't join. Hi, I'm Nidhi from National Vidya Foundation. For 23 years, I've helped 3,000 plus students avoid costly mistakes in MBBS abroad. This is day 6 of my 21 Days of Don't Get Cheated series. Every month, I meet students who discover too late that their clinicals were mostly online. Don't let that be you. Book your free consultation at www.consultwithsiddharth.in right now. I'll also send you a copy of the NMC FMGL 2021 rules so you can verify everything yourself.